Hello everyone, today I will show you how to report an email as spam. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So assuming that you have an email with the Google account, what you want to do is you want to click on the Gmail app on your phone, and then let's say the email from Ipsy is a spam. What you want to do is you want to hold on that email and then click on the three dot at the top left, at the top right, and then click on report spam. So it will give you two options, either reporting this email as spam or you can unsubscribe and not receiving any email. If you want to report spam, you can click on report spam. This will make sure that the Google will not send you any email about this store. And when you actually go to the top left, you will see that the email has been put in the spam folder, and you can always empty this spam. And that is how you can report an email as spam. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.